हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो चलिए गाइस, आज मैं आपके लिए वीवीए मैक्रोस का बहुत ही यूजफुल टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ, जिसको हम यूजर फॉर्म बोलते हैं। तो चलिए गाइस, आज हम सीखते हैं कि हम यूजर फॉर्म का यूज जो है वो कैसे कर सकते हैं। ये जो टॉपिक है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको प्रेक्षित सर क्लियर करेंगे। प्लीज़ स्टार्ट सर।
User form. Okay, in the user form, what we gonna do, there are many types of button which we need to create: the combo box, list box, option box, command button, text box, list box. So on the base of that, on the base of requirement, we are going to create the user form how we supposed to be. Okay, let's take an example. I have a list of the button that what I need to create. First, if you see, first I need to create a user form with the name dinner plan or something like that. Okay, this is already been created. However, now I am creating in front of you that how exactly it's supposed to be. Okay.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, so let's start. First, what I need to create, if you go user form, okay, this is my user form. Okay, and I want to change the name of user form. So if you see name,
Yeah.
okay, I'll change from here also, and I'll go to the caption, and I'll change, as it is already been present with the same name, I'll change the name. I'll say 1. Okay,
Okay.
let me, I'll say only dinner. Now what? Same for the caption, I'll go, because here I have mentioned dinner. This is my user form name, dinner. Okay, the user form. If you want to rename to title as well, you need to like same, like I'm doing the same thing, because I can let you know that how exactly it is. Okay, so now I also want to change this. I'll go to the caption. I'll keep adding as it is. So okay, now the title and username both are the same. Okay,
Yeah.
second thing, what I need to create, I need to create text box. I need to create text box with the name text box name. Okay, so here I will create the text box. If you see where it is text box, this one. I'll create a text box. Okay, what it name supposed to be. If you see here, what is name? This is our label. Okay, and if you see what name is supposed to be, it names name text box. Same we have changed with the like this name, we also change for this name. This is the text box one, I'll change as a name text box. Okay, for this text box, if you see, I need to create the label which we created earlier, correct? Label.
Okay.
This is here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And now I will change caption as a name. That I need to change name, and in case if you don't get it, just let me know from where I got this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now what? Second text box, that is phone text box.
Phone
Okay.
text box.
I'll just copy this and paste it, because measurement should be the same. Okay,
Okay.
also copy this and paste this. Okay, now it's a
Now
name.
we changing the caption as phone.
Yeah, it is, what is this? It is phone number. Okay, so I'll just keep, we need to change this caption. What is this? I'll change as a
Phone number.
phone number. And what it mentioned? Phone text box. So I'll change label 2 as a, now it's a phone text. So I am giving the object. This is like, this is the object. Okay. This object. This is what object? Label. If you know, if you know earlier, I have mentioned that user form 1 dot text box or a label is equal to +1. Are you aware of last week?
No, sir, that time I don't
Oh.
attend the class.
Okay, no issue. So at that time I had written that if you just mention this, so I had mentioned that, suppose you go, this is the phone text box. If you see phone text box,
Okay.
instead of phone text box, earlier it was showing as a label.
Okay.
Earlier it was showing the label. Hence I have changed the name of that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
So now what is the second? This was text box. This was text box. Now what is the third? This is called combo box. Okay.
Okay.
I'll create combo box. If you go over here, where is the combo box? Multi-page, command button, toggle button.
The button.
Here it is
Combo
combo
box. Yeah.
box. I'll just select and create. This is my combo box. Okay. What it's supposed to be mentioned, I'll say city. I'll just copy this label and we just go to the Excel. What does it? City list box.
Box.
It is not a combo box. It is a list box. So I'll create list box. Combo box will just go to down and I'll create list box. This was the combo box. Okay. And in the list box, here if you go, you will get the option of the list box. Here it is.
Okay.
Now this is the list box. If you go here, what it is mentioned? City preference. I'll just copy this name.
Caption.
I'll just paste city preference. And what is the name? City list box.
List
Okay.
box.
So I'll just copy this and I'll just change the name.
The label name. Yeah.
Okay. The name, this is like the shape name. Shape name. This is like label name is a city preference.
Okay.
And this is the shape name.
Okay, sir.
The shape name. Like suppose I'm just giving you one example. If suppose you just double click, I'm just just a second. I'm just giving you one example. Yeah, as of now I have not given any name. Okay, let me delete this. As of now I have not given the name. If I double click on that, just look into this name, combo box.
The box one. Yeah.
So now if you see what is mentioned, some combo box change.
Combo box.
So
Yeah.
it will, what does it will do? It will like give the reference. So whenever I write down anything, I'll write down in, as it is list box, I'll write down add dot item in combo box 1, something like I'm giving the name. Okay. So I'm just giving the name. So I don't want to give name. I want this. It's supposed to be created without any confusion. I should have a name.
Okay.
That's why I'm creating in a that way. Okay. I'm just giving. This is the name. This is the name of shape. Like this control I'm giving. Okay. This is my control. What is control? This one. These are the controls. Okay. And to those control, I'm giving a name. This.
Okay.
What kind of name it's supposed to be? Okay. To the shape. To this control.
Okay. Sir.
Let's see. I know it will get like it will go bounce to you. And in case yeah, for me, like you will say, okay, yes, I got it or something like that.
No.
But
to understand fully, I need to go through again, and it takes some time. But the basic thing, yeah.
Why I'm saying, because as of now I am creating. First, next time you will go, you will go here. Okay, this is label. Okay, what does label do? You will create. Okay, this is text box. Okay, this will text box. This is combo. Okay, this is the combo. So on the base of that, you will need to explore yourself. And as I already told you that in case if you have any doubt, just ping me, let me know. I'll connect with you with my meantime and then we'll do it.
Okay.
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 However, you
Okay.
need to do practice. If you do practice, then I will be there. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Moving with the next, like, what is this list box? Okay, list box done. This is the combo box. What is the combo box? If you see here, the combo box is a dinner preference. I'll just copy this. I need to copy this label as well. And then I'll give name. One by one, we need to look into this, how exactly it's performing. Okay, dinner preference. Okay, so if you see what you want to highlight, like how exactly it's supposed to be named, so that you need to change into the caption.
Okay.
What you want to show, how the control should be written as. Okay, and name means what you want to give the name to that particular shape. Okay.
Okay.
Now what? Now I'll say what is the name of dinner preference. If you go to the dinner preference,
1 second, sir.
no issue. Just let me know when to start.
Yeah, only 1 second, sir.
Yeah, no issue, no issue, no issue.
Yes, sir, you can continue, sir.
Yeah. So we are done. Again, dinner preference has been done. Dinner preference and this. Next what? Next it is date. Okay. We have a three, like suppose we have three label. I'll say okay. Now again I will copy paste. Do you have a car or something like that? Again I will copy paste. There is some other. So I'll just check the name of that particular label. What is this date? Okay, I have mentioned the date. After the date, what is supposed to be? Do you have a car or something like that? No, I don't have car. Let's see. I'll change the name.
Sir, instead of copying now we are using that text box multiple times. Like, can we choose the option and can we enter the number? Like, how many times we need this one
No,
in our
this is
user
this
form?
is no, this is like your preference, how you wants to do. I have like I'm saying why I'm saying I'm giving the different example, different control. If you see how many types of control here is text box, list box, combo box, text box, frame, option button, text box, pin button. So there are multiple of them. That's why, or else if I do from my end, you will not be able to understand. That's why I'm going step by step, and
Okay.
then that makes you understand. That's why. So I'll mention, do you have a car or something like that? I'll let you understand how exactly, and then maximum.
Maximum to spend.
This is like suppose if customer you have like someone who wants you to create the macro, how, what are the characteristic, what are the requirement, how you need to create. Okay, Now, if you go to the date, if you go to the date here, what is mentioned?
June, three options: June 13th, 20th, 27th.
Yeah. So for that, if you see, this is called the option button. That is called checkbox. Checkbox. Okay. If you see, what is this? This is the checkbox.
Okay.
It is saying that for date, check 1, checkbox 2, checkbox 3, create this one. I'll go. I'll create. Let's see. I'll go here on the date. Just go. Okay. Now this is our option button. This is our checkbox. I'll say I'll create over here. Same. I need a 3-day.
We need three. Yeah.
You just need to copy paste. Are you getting it? Like how I am doing this?
Yeah. Yes.
It's makes you feel bored. However, like
No. No.
we need to do
No,
it in
sir.
okay. Now what? The checkbox has been done. Now I'll say frame. How the frame
Frame.
is generated. Okay. If you see here, this is called frame. Okay. I'll give the name here. I'll create a frame. I'll go here. I'll expand this. Okay. So for frame here, if you see frame.
Yeah. The row option.
Sorry.
No.
Now I'll create a frame. Okay. In that frame, what it has been asked. Okay. If you see
Yes
this
or
car,
no?
this
Yeah.
is car, and inside the frame it has mentioned the option button. If you see checkbox is comes into square and option button it comes into the circle. Okay, and in that you need to return as a car. I'll change the name.
So we are giving frame name. Okay.
Yes.
Caption card.
Okay, and if you go here, what is the name of the frame? If you see, just click on that. It has not given any name. So now it has the for car create. I'll go and take the like draw the option button. Option 1. I'll just copy this. And option 2. Okay. In the option 1, what is the name? Yes or no. So I'll just create yes or no. If you see here, you just need to give the caption and you need to write the car option button 1.
Okay.
And in that car option button 2.
2 and caption no.
Yeah, car option button 1 and 2. So if you just go, if you just need to go over here. If you see here option car in option button 1, I'll just write down car.
Okay.
I'll just write down car. Okay. Now car option button 1, car option button 2. I'll change this one as a yes. And I'll change this one as a no. Okay. So if you see, we had almost created the entire. Now what is this? Maximum to spend.
Maximum 15.
We have completed the text box, list box, combo box, frame box,
Text box frame. Yeah.
option box.
Button.
Name also change. Yes, here we need to change the name, correct? If you go over here, the check box. I'll say what is the checkbox name?
June 30 date.
You just need to write date here. And date. date. Okay, now what? You need to change the name as well. I'll just give name June 13th. Now what? June 20. I am a
27.
I am a coder, hence I am little bit lazy to write down all this thing. Okay, so if you see, I have done as per whatever we have requirement, like as per this we have done. Now it's time for maximum to spend. Okay, maximum
Yeah.
to spend. For that we will use the toggle button. If you see here, the spin button. Okay, I'll create a spin button. Here if you see, where does it come? This one.
Yeah. Spin button. Mm,
This one.
the first one. Scroll up.
There are two buttons. Let me check. That is on the toggle button, the scroll bar, and which button is this? This is the
Spin button
spin
only.
button.
Sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is the spin button.
Do we need to adjust the direction?
No, yeah, that's okay. However, we just need to insert the text box as well. So I'll just copy paste. And then I'll make it size. Instead of this, I'll go and like rotate it. Here I'll get the option of rotate. Top 20 tag small orientation, I'll say. Okay.
Okay.
What we have done with the orientation. This is my text box.
Yeah.
If you see what I need to give the text box, money text box. I'll go and change it as a money text box.
Money box.
Okay. And my spin button name, I'll say money spin button name. This one.
Okay.
Okay. So if you see, I have changed everything. Okay. I have given, now I need to create the 3 command button with the name of OK, clear and cancel.
Okay.
OK, clear and cancel. If you see, here is our command button. I'll just copy. Sorry, I'm just copy. I'll just create here. This is my command button. Okay. What first button is?
Need 3.
Yeah, first
Okay.
button is OK, clear and cancel. The name is the OK button, clear button, cancel button.
Cancel.
Okay, I'll go. I'll write down. Okay. OK button.
Clear button.
OK button, clear button.
Okay.
And I'll just copy paste this button. Okay. Okay. Clear. I'll write down the clear. Okay. And then I'll write down the cancel. I think cancel is between clear and cancel. Okay. Now I'll write down the cancel. Okay. I'll write down the button as well. Clear button. And so it is like you are giving the name to shape. So whenever you want to do anything with shape, you know that you have already given the name. So that's been OK button. So you can write that OK button dot value, something like that. Clear button dot value, something like that. So you will get an option. If you have just mentioned it, I'm just telling you how exactly it is supposed to be. Cancel button. So earlier it was written command button or something like that. Okay, if you double click over here, if you see cancel button comes.
Cancel.
So it highlights, it will generate the sub. So if you just observe, as per this, today we have created the user form as per the like which we have directed like this.
This,
Okay.
yeah. The
I'll,
Excel one. Yeah.
yeah, I will share you this file. Just go through with the user form, how exactly it is prepared. Tomorrow we will start to assign the code to each and every button. Okay.
Okay.
So today we have created this like format, and tomorrow we will assign the code to every button. To okay, if suppose I press okay, what it's supposed to be do. If I press clear, what will happen? If I press cancel, what will happen? Something like that. Okay.
Okay. Now we prepare the front end thing.
Yeah.
For back end coding, we need to. Okay. Sir.
Because we need to write the code for every button. That's why I have like today, because this will make you bounce. Even I know like it is not going to happen. So tomorrow in a evening morning, whenever you get time for half an hour, you just go through with this. How they try from your end here. If suppose I have created, you just insert it in the new user form and then do it accordingly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
As of
Okay,
now,
sir.
as of now, I'm just saving this and like sending you the file. Just look into this, and we will start assigning the code, working on the code tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye then. Take care. See you tomorrow.
Bye,
And in
sir.
case if you have any question,